Jai Srimannarayana. 48th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yogasthaha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyoh samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. Om. Perform your day-to-day, occasional and special activities while remaining even-minded both in success and failure. Work as an instrument in the hands of Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall practice and maintain a special condition of my mind, in which my mind comes to a neutral equilibrium in both ups and downs of all my life situations. O Srimannarayana, I shall work as an instrument in your hands. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ambarisha always engaged in serving Srimannarayana's devotees. Not only that, Savai Manaha Krishna Padaravindayoho Vachamsi Vaikuntha Gunanu Varnane Karau Harer Mandiramarjanadishu Shrutinchakara Achyuta Satkathodaye. Ambarisha's mind, Manas, always engaged in Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. Ambarisha's speech always engaged in singing the divine qualities of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Ambarisha's hands always engaged in cleaning the premises of Sri Krishna Mandiras. Ambarisha's ears always engaged in listening to Krishna Paramatma's words, listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine and miraculous activities and stories. Not only that, Mukunda Lingalaya Darsane Drusau Tadbhrutya Gatra Sparshenga Sangamam Ghranancha Tatpada Saroja Saurabhe Srimat Tulasya Rasanam Tadarpite. Ambarisha's eyes, always engaged in enjoying the Archamurti, the divine Vigrahas of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and divine different forms of Srimannarayana's avatars in different temples. And also Ambarisha's body is engaged always in having a divine touch of Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotees. Not only that, Ambarisha's nose engaged in taking the fragrance of Tulasi, which is there at the divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma. And Ambarisha's tongue always engaged in accepting, tasting the prasadam which is already offered to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Not only that, Padau Harehe Kshetra Padanusarpane Shiro Hrishikesa Padabhivandane Kamancha Dasye Natu Kama Kamyaya Yadhottama Shloka Janashraya Ratihi. Ambarisha's feet always engaged in walking towards the divine places where Paramatma is present in different forms in Archamurtis. That means Ambarisha's feet engaged in going to temples. Ambarisha's head always engaged in doing namaskaram to Srimannarayana's, Hrishikesha's, Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. Ambarisha's desires is only one desire, that is to do seva to Sri Krishna Paramatma, do seva to Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotees. Ambarisha's desire is to have a company of Paramatma's devotees, Satsangatyam. Like that, Ambarisha enjoying Srimannarayana, who is Sarvantaryami and ruling the kingdom. Ambarisha is ruling the kingdom like that. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 48th sloka. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga vuchyate. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga vuchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.